Hi everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of joining groups on Telegram. To know how to fix or how to solve joining groups on Telegram, you should just go to settings. Here you can click apps, default apps, app settings. After that you will enter to the window or to the app of Telegram and you can click here. Then this page of app info, we click on first stop and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then you can click clear cache. In the end you can turn off your Wi-Fi. Then you can wait a moment to turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for watching.